Your heart beats over 85,000 to 120,000 times a day. But how often do we really think about taking care of it? Hi, I'm Dr. Tyagi from Cytonex, and today we are diving into a topic that affects millions around the world: cardiac health. When we talk about cardiac problems, we are referring to conditions such as high blood pressure, you're talking about heart failure, there is ischemia or narrowing of the vessels, or even a myocardial infarct, which is blocked arteries. Then there could be irregular rhythms. All these conditions, if left unmanaged, they can lead to serious complications. The good news, many heart conditions can be prevented or controlled with care in our lifestyles. Often you hear about eating a healthy diet, regular physical activity or exercises, or having a sports game, managing the stress at work and also at home, mind you, monitoring the blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and other important parameters in blood works annually, as well as scheduling those medical checkups once in a way, at least annually. In some cases, medications or procedures like angioplasty or doing a stent or even cardiac bypass in severe blockages may be necessary. But alongside conventional treatment, science is now exploring new frontiers like regenerative medicine. One exciting area is the study of mesenchymal stem cells, that they have potential to support cardiac repair, reduce the inflammation of the heart muscles, possibly even stimulate the recovery in a damaged heart tissue by replacing damaged heart muscle cells, which are called myocytes, after the heart attack event. So this is something that we are looking at, and it can promote angiogenesis as well, opening up new channels. These are called collateral vessels, that blood circulation resumes in a better fashion. While the field is still developing, early research is promising and offers a glimpse into the future of heart care. Your heart is central to your overall wellness, and regenerative medicine may play a key role in how we care for it moving forward. Stay tuned for more insights as this exciting field evolves.